Hi friends, welcome to Future Tech Traveler channel. Hope everyone is fine during this pandemic. Today we are going to see trip details of Munnar, Kerala. We started our trip from Bangalore. From Bangalore to Munnar, it's around 480 kilometers, and this was 2 days trip. We started on Friday evening and we returned to Bangalore on Sunday night. People who are staying in Bangalore will know the problem with the traffic. We came out of Bangalore around 7 p.m. and we can't ride 480 kilometers in a single stretch. So we decided to halt at Salem, Tamil Nadu. Again we started our journey on Saturday early morning. While entering into Kerala from Tamil Nadu, there was a TN state checkpost. After we enter into Annamalai Tiger Reserve, followed by Kerala State Checkpost and followed by Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary. On the way we took a picture at Annamalai Tiger Reserve. The forest was little bit dry at that time. While we entered into Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary, greenery was started. On the way to Munnar, we stopped at tea plantations and we relaxed. In this video, you can feel the nature over there. There are tea plantations, and all these tea plantations belong to Tata Tea Group. These tea plantations look beautiful. We found a small river down to these plantations and relaxed for some time. Here are some beautiful pics for you. Due to very less time, we covered only few places at Munnar, but we enjoyed this trip and enjoyed nature at Munnar. These trees you can find in Bangalore also, but they are looking very beautiful in between these tea plantations. You can find all these beautiful places on the way to Munnar. Finally we reached Munnar, but on the way we stuck with a rain. We booked a homestay which was a little bit far from Munnar town, so we had to go to that homestay. Name of this homestay was the Greendale. You can find more details in Google. Day 2 will be more interesting. We explored nearby forest and a river beside to our homestay. We waited to see sunrise at this place. After sunrise, we went back to homestay and we started our journey to the forest. Owner of the Greendale homestay where we stayed was very kind and helpful. He acted as a guide to explore this place. This is ilachi plant, cardamom, which is widely grown in Munnar. You can see at the bottom of the plant there are a bunch of ilachi pods, and these will grow around 7 to 9 feet height. Here you can see that this uncle is very kind and helpful. He is explaining about this plant and the condition where it is growing. Here you can see the actual ilachi. After ripening they will harvest it and they will dry it. There was a house over there. The person who is living in that house is maintaining all these plantations. And people who are living in Munnar are very lucky because they will get a fresh air and there was no pollution here. After enjoying this beautiful nature, we started towards the river. I am first time experiencing this cocoa fruit. This cocoa fruit, you can see the outer layer was goldish in color. This is a ripened fruit. If it is unripe, it looks very green. And the pulpy, white pulpy was tangy in taste and little bit sweet also. You can see these seeds are used to make chocolate. And I am also very excited to see these seeds. And here you can see the homemade Munnar chocolate, which was very tasty. After we started moving, and these steps are little bit slippery, you can see ilachi plantations over there, and we are feeling excited while going towards the river. This trip was very adventurous and very relaxing to us also. After long time trekking, we found a beautiful river there, and it was so pleasant here. Here we found a small cave. We didn't go deep into the cave, but we entered into that cave and we came back. Here we are going to explore this cave up to a little bit only. You can see there are many stones here, and the roof was not covered, it was open. We came out of that place and we started moving forward to see other beautiful places. While moving forward, we found another beautiful place, and this place also very beautiful. You can see in the peak and this video also. After trekking very long distance, we found this beautiful place. and we decided to relax at this place for some time. There are specific places which looks beautiful at Munnar, but for us every place looks beautiful and pleasant. And we traveled around 80 to 100 kilometers in Ghat road only, where we found many beautiful places